Welcome along to Lorraine Cashin Easy Food Recipes. This week we're going to do spicy chicken kebabs. It's low in fat and salt. It's a great healthy dish that can be enjoyed off the barbecue or for under the grill. You need 4 skewers for this recipe. The ingredients: 520 grams of boneless chicken breasts, which is around 4 breasts, 2 medium red onions peeled and quartered, 8 green chilli, halved and de-seeded, black pepper to taste. For the marinade, 275 ml of low-fat natural yogurt, a half a teaspoon of ground cumin, a half a teaspoon ground coriander, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, small bunch of fresh coriander, 3 garlic cloves peeled and crushed, 1 tablespoon of fresh root ginger peeled and grated, black pepper to taste. And the method: pour the low-fat yogurt into a large bowl and add the cumin, ground coriander, turmeric, garlic, ginger and some fresh coriander sprigs. Mix everything together and season with pepper. Cut each chicken breast into 5 chunks and place in the spiced yogurt, mixing everything around so that the chicken is evenly coated. Cover with clean film and refrigerate for at least a few hours or overnight. Prepare the barbecue, or alternatively reheat the grill to the highest setting. To assemble the kebabs, thread an onion quarter, then a piece of chicken, half a chili and another piece of chicken. Repeat this again and finish off with a piece of chicken and another onion quarter. There should be 5 pieces of chicken on each kebab. Then you are finished. Press all the pieces tight together so they don't separate in the cooking. Then season well. Grill or barbecue on a high heat for at least 10 minutes on each side. Ensure the food is internally cooked by checking all the juices run clear. You need a mixing bowl. Serving suggestions: serve on a bed basmati rice. For special rice, cook in a pot with cinnamon sticks and add toasted pine nuts and pistachios at the end. Garnish with coriander. And there you have it, spicy chicken kebabs. That's it for this week on Lorraine's Easy Food Recipes. Join me again next week when I have another delicious dish. Bye.